السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. حاليا نحن موجودين في عيادة الشمس الطبية الصناعية، فرع صناعية، فرع رقم 1. ونحن جينا عشان ناخذ شوي معلومات عن العيادة هذه. أهلا وسهلا دكتور مع برداش جروب، the family group. You know already we are coming from which side?
Yeah.
What is your good name, sir?
My name is Muhammad Azam Raja. I'm from Pakistan.
You are from Pakistan.
I'm here in clinic for last 3 years now. Yeah, this clinic was established in 2013. And
From what time you are working here? Since last time? Last year.
I joined here in February 2016.
2016. From 2016 you are working.
Yeah, I'm working here straight
As
as a general practitioner.
general practitioner.
Yeah.
Yes.
Somewhere I'm enjoying here. It's a very
Yes.
good company. Everything is really good. And the best thing is the management is really good. They are helpful
Yeah.
in every aspect. Not only for us, for everyone. They are very helpful.
But the patients, how kind of patients come to you and how many patients daily you see?
Sir, patients actually we are located in industrial area.
Yes. Yeah, therefore I am asking you.
Yeah, we
because
have
some
mostly labor people.
labor people. Yes.
Those who are working in the sites, who are working in the shops.
Yes.
These kind of people are coming here. Yeah. And they're coming with
I
multiple
think
illnesses.
the small injuries and some injuries also.
Yeah, injuries very common, infections very common, pains like back pain, shoulder pain, leg pain. These are very common because they're lifting heavy weight and then doing it like.
Yeah. What you have experience from Pakistan?
Yeah, I worked in Pakistan for 2 years. Then I left for Saudi. I worked in Ministry of Health for 4 years
Or you worked in Saudi also?
Saudi, yeah. I worked for 4 years there. Then I came to Dubai. I worked in Lifeline Hospital, Dubai. Jumeirah Group. Lifeline Hospital.
Life and hospital.
Yeah, Jumeirah Group. So I stayed there for 1 year. And after that I came here. So still I'm working here.
Doctor, how many patients you can
Patients?
say how many patients are daily coming to you?
Sir, actually we had 2 doctors, okay? So if you divide both, like we have 35 to 40 patients per doctor there nowadays.
How many doctors in the hospital?
Two doctors, yeah.
What is the procedure of Brahman?
Demand procedure?
How can you take
Yeah.
the confirmation from the?
Yeah, demand is not big issue. Let's suppose you are a patient, okay, you have demand card. You just come to the clinic, just present your
Is it
card.
compulsory?
Yeah, you have to be at the clinic. It's not like you are at home and.
Sometimes the people coming without the Brahman, how can you
Sir,
deal
no
with them?
problem. Right now, if you have even Emirates ID, so still we can get your eligibility. And if you don't have card with you, if you have number even, we can take eligibility for you. Because there's a portal called OpenJet, okay? We have to take eligibility through that portal, okay? And if that person is eligible, then we can enter him and we can check him everything.
Okay. How many is the staff of your clinic here?
Staff, sir, we have 2 nurses. Okay, we have 2 receptionists, 1 coder, 1 accountant. We have 1 clinic manager.
Going well.
Yeah, alhamdulillah good. We have housekeeping services even, and we have marketing people. Lots of staff is about 14-15 persons we have for this. Sir.
MashaAllah.
Yeah.
Okay. Mr. Abdurrahman also.
Yeah, he is manager.
Manager of
Yeah.
the company.
Yeah, he is manager, so he is managing everything here.
Yes. Doctor, so thanks to, I'm very glad to meet you here. You will come again, inshallah. Thank you very much. Thank you. How are you?
I'm good, sir.
What's your good name?
Eric, sir.
What are you doing here?
I'm tracking the vital signs.
Check first.
Okay.
क्या नाम है आपका मतलब क्या नाम है आपका?
गुलनवाज।
गुलनवाज। क्या हुआ?
हाँ नहीं, बीमार हो गया, खराब हो गया।
How long you were working here?
I've been working here for almost 40 years.
What's the qualification?
I'm a registered nurse with a HAD license.
Where from?
I
You
came
are
from the Philippines.
Philippines. How is the cooperation about that?
It's a good working environment, I guess. And it's a good harmonious relationship with the doctors and the nurses.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
وإذا تكون بوشي كنا زخم بوشي كذي ساي ठीक है ना हो जितना زخم بوشي क्या मरा थी डॉक्टर के पास ले ठीक है
Yes, again.
जब डॉक्टर करे हम देखे वहाँ हासन सरकार का वही सर दवाई सर डॉक्टर खास बूशी ठीक है ना जब तमाम डॉक्टर तक हम ठीक है
Assalamu alaikum. How are you, sir? I'm very happy to see you here.
Thank you so much.
Shams Clinic Center. How are you?
I'm good sir.
I'm very happy to listen to you. You are talking, mashallah.
Yes sir.
Advani also.
Actually, I'm Sir Pathan, and this faculty we have almost 70% of patients are vocational speakers.
Yeah.
And the good thing is that they are always in search of Pathan doctors.
Yes.
Because these people are very, very shy, they can't express
Yes,
their
because so
empathy.
many people, different countries is living here.
Yes, sir.
And it is a industrial area.
Yes, sir.
I'm very happy to listen to
Yeah.
your language.
Yeah.
How many language you know, doctor?
Sir, I will, this is something very different and I'm happy with it. In UAE, I guess this is the only Patana push to speaker doctors
Yes.
who is everywhere required, because we can speak around 3-4 languages like Pushtu,
Yes.
Urdu, Hindi is just close to Urdu, and English is international for us,
Yes.
Arabic to some extent, and even this Bengali language.
Yes.
So
People will be happy when they listen to language.
Yes,
language.
yes, sir.
Yes.
But if we compare ourselves with the other doctors, so we are having also an edge for the push to speaker doctors.
Actually, where you are from? Where?
I'm from Pakistan, from Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. This is the province where they push to our Pathans are in.
From long time. Maybe you are here from.
I'm working in this clinic from since October 17, like for the last 14-15 months.
15 months.
Yes,
How is your experience here?
Sir, this is really very fantastic. I'm very happy. Previously, I used to work in Medina side, but this
Maybe you
place
are
is-
general doctor.
Yes, sir. I'm general
General
physician.
physician.
Yeah, general physician.
Yes.
And,
How many patients come to your area?
almost, mashallah, we have a very good number of patients. Almost nowadays, this is 50 to 60.
Now, very good place you are.
Because we are having a lot of clinics in
Yes.
competition, and they
Yes.
are very close to us. Like we are having 3 clinics on the other side of the road. We are having 3-4 clinics on this side. So it is very difficult to maintain your number,
Yes,
because
yes,
you should beyond doctor and patient relation, you should have some extra
Yes.
relation with the patient.
This is depend on your
the communication skills
talking
are,
power. Yes.
yeah, the communication skills are really
Yes,
important.
better you are knowing so many languages. Because the people is So many countries, so many from India, from the Malbaris and
Sir, even if a doctor from Pakistan and he doesn't know Pashto,
Yes.
there is a big difference for him because if he can't speak Pashto, 60 to 70% of all patients are Pashto speaker. So they feel like everywhere Pathan doctor is in every clinic. They really need a Pathan doctor who can speak Pashto. So on that side, we are really very happy that at least we have a big role in the market.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Doctor, which kinds of patients coming to you?
We have a vast variety of patients, sir. They normally range from the acute cases to the chronic illnesses. And in acute, we are having these day-to-day minor injuries, and we can easily handle them in our clinic. And if they are serious enough, then we need to refer them. And apart from that, these acute illnesses, upper respiratory tract, lower respiratory tract infection, and dermatological cases, all these we can manage them easily. And as far as on the other side, we are having chronic cases like hypertension, diabetes, and ischemic heart diseases, and dyslipidemia, and some rheumatological cases. These are chronic cases. They are running for like years. So at some point, if we feel that the patient needs some higher consultation, then we refer him to the specialist.
Sir, I want to ask you,
Yes, sir.
in your service here within 1.5 years,
Yes, sir.
have you seen any serious case here? How can you deal with them?
Yes, sir. Even yesterday, I was having a patient with some sort of poisoning, and it was actually a case of insecticide poisoning. And he presented to me a little bit fat, but I was fortunate.
What you will do to transfer to them?
Yes, sir. I was fortunate enough because the history he was giving me was not going into that direction. He was telling me that I am having some chest problem, but when I asked and I came to know that he is a case of insecticide poisoning. He has spread 2 or 3 days back in his room, and because of that he was getting worse. So then I referred him to the ER, and he was taken care.
So sorry, sir, I'm taking your very costly time because you are on duty and patient is some meeting outside.
Yeah, this is the last time, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Nice to meet you, sir.
Yes.
Most welcome, sir. Thank you so much.
Shukran.